This video tutorial explains how to wirelessly connect a MOVNORM series monitor to a BMPCC 6000 camera via Bluetooth. First, configure the camera settings. Press Menu to open the menu, and enable Bluetooth under Setup. Then, proceed with the connection on the monitor. Tap the screen to bring up the menu, select Camera, choose BMD Bluetooth. Tap Add New Device, and select your local device. At this point, the camera will prompt for a pairing code. Enter the correct pairing code on the monitor. Tap Pair. And when the camera control menu appears, it indicates a successful connection. Tap Rec to start or stop recording. Tap Focus to focus the camera. Tap Iris to adjust the aperture. Tap Shutter to adjust the shutter angle. Tap ISO to adjust the ISO. Tap Focus to adjust the focus point. Tap Zoom to control the camera zoom. The zoom option requires a motorized zoom lens for adjustment. Tap White Balance to adjust the white balance mode, color temperature, and tint. Tap FPS to adjust the camera frame rate. Tap BRAW to change the video format. Tap Resolution to change the recording resolution. Tap Playback to review recorded files, and use the buttons to play, pause, or fast-forward video files. That concludes the tutorial on wirelessly connecting a MOVNORM series monitor to a BMPCC 6000 camera via Bluetooth.